Welcome to ATeck. Today I will tell you that how you can create a Gmail account without phone number. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for such an amazing videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open Google Chrome. Now we will type create a Gmail account. Create Gmail account. So here you can see create account option. We will click it. So now I will select for my personal use. So here I will type my dummy name. Let's suppose I type John and last name Sina. I will press next. Now I will type my dummy birthday. Then select gender and click next. So now I will type a username. So I will select John Cena and click next. So this username is taken. Try another. I will write some numbers. It's also taken. So I will try again. 19898. So click next. Yeah, Gmail accept this username. So in password we will use letters, numbers and symbols. So then we will click next. So I don't want to add any recovery email address. I will click on skip. I don't want to add any number. I want to create a Gmail account without number. So I will click skip. Review your account info. I will select next. These are the terms and conditions. So I click on I agree button. So you can see my Gmail account is ready. So you can see the interface of my Gmail account. So I will refresh my account and you can see my username on top. So in this way you can create a Gmail account without a phone number. You don't need to give your phone number or recovery email. If you like the video, please subscribe.